Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today, we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Huawei Watch D2 versus Apple Watch Series 9. Get your favorite now through the links in the description below. Let's start with the screen size. The Huawei Watch D2 comes with a 1.82-inch display, while the Apple Watch Series 9 takes a slight edge with a 1.9-inch screen, giving you just a bit more screen real estate. Now, when it comes to display material, the Huawei Watch D2 features an AMOLED display, while the Apple Watch Series 9 uses LTPO OLED. Both offer vibrant colors and deep blacks, but LTPO OLED can be more power efficient with its adaptive refresh rate. Both watches are built for durability, offering a 50-meter ATM rating. So whether you're swimming or caught in the rain, you're covered. Next, let's talk about pixel density. The Huawei Watch D2 packs 347 pixels per inch PPI, slightly sharper than the 326 PPI on the Apple Watch Series 9. Not a huge difference, but the Huawei might look just a bit crisper. One thing that's always handy is the ability to swap out the bands, and both watches let you replace the watch band easily, so you can customize your style. Now, looking at screen resolution, the Huawei Watch D2 comes in at 480 by 408 pixels, while the Apple Watch Series 9 edges it out slightly with 484 by 396 pixels. Again, not a game changer, but every pixel counts. Thickness is another factor. If you like a slimmer watch, the Apple Watch Series 9 wins here at 10.7 millimeters compared to the Huawei Watch D2's 13.3 millimeters. That makes the Apple Watch feel sleeker on the wrist. Both watches feature a touchscreen, so no surprises there. As for weight, the Huawei Watch D2 is 40 grams, while the Apple Watch Series 9 is a bit lighter at 38.7 grams. Not a massive difference, but if you prefer something ultra-light, the Apple Watch might feel better. Both watches feature an aluminum alloy frame, so durability is top-notch on both. Now let's talk sensors. Both watches come loaded with blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate tracking, GPS, accelerometer, temperature sensor, compass, barometer, and gyroscope. So no matter which one you choose, you're getting comprehensive health tracking. For activity tracking, both watches cover all the essentials: sleep tracking, step counting, pace measurement, and detailed sleep reports. Connectivity-wise, both support Bluetooth, NFC, and GNSS, but the Apple Watch Series 9 goes a step further with Wi-Fi and eSIM support, perfect if you want to stay connected without your phone. Battery life is another key factor. The Huawei Watch D2 boasts a massive 524 mAh battery, while the Apple Watch Series 9 has a 308 mAh battery. That means the Huawei should last longer between charges. Speaking of charging, both support wireless charging, making it super convenient. Now let's talk software. The Huawei Watch D2 runs on Harmony OS, while the Apple Watch Series 9 uses Watch OS. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, Watch OS will integrate seamlessly with your other Apple devices. When it comes to apps, the Huawei Watch D2 relies on the Huawei Health app, while the Apple Watch Series 9 has a vast selection of apps from the Apple Watch App Store. Compatibility-wise, the Huawei Watch D2 works with both Android and iOS, while the Apple Watch Series 9 is exclusive to iOS. Now, storage. This is where Apple shines. The Apple Watch Series 9 comes with 64 gigabytes of onboard storage, while Huawei hasn't disclosed its storage capacity. Both watches let you answer calls directly from your wrist and even locate your phone if you misplace it. However, one key safety feature sets the Apple Watch apart: fall detection. The Apple Watch Series 9 has it, while the Huawei Watch D2 does not. And finally, for those who use a stopwatch, both watches have one built in. Now let's talk about price. The Huawei Watch D2 is priced at $412, while the Apple Watch Series 9 comes in at $332. So, if budget is a key factor, the Apple Watch offers more affordability. Let's see pros. Huawei Watch D2 Pros. Larger battery. With a 524 mAh battery, it lasts longer between charges. Android and iOS compatibility. Works with both platforms, giving more flexibility. Apple Watch Series 9 Pros. More storage. Comes with 64 gigabytes for apps, music, and data. Fall detection. Offers an extra layer of safety with automatic fall alerts. Huawei Watch D2 Cons. No fall detection. Lacks the safety feature available on the Apple Watch. Thicker and heavier. At 13.3 millimeters thickness and 40 grams weight, it's bulkier on the wrist. Apple Watch Series 9 Cons. Weaker battery life. The 308 mAh battery drains faster compared to Huawei's. Limited compatibility. Only works with iOS, so no support for Android users. And the winner is the Apple Watch Series 9 takes the crown. Thanks to its slimmer design, lighter weight, built-in Wi-Fi and eSIM, larger storage, and a lower price, it stands out as the better overall smartwatch. While the Huawei Watch D2 has a great battery capacity and works with Android, the Apple Watch simply offers more features and better value. Get your favorite now through the links in the description below. Don't miss out on the best deals. Shop today and experience the future at your fingertips. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me.